This technique demonstrates an arthroscopic double-row rotator cuff repair using CONMED's Why Not Pro RC with Hi-Fi ribbon and CrossFit knotless DT. First, prepare the footprint in the subacromial space using CONMED's dual-purpose shaver blade featuring exclusive stealth technology. To begin, insert the Why Not Pro RC with Hi-Fi ribbon at the anterior insertion site of the footprint. Mallet the self-punching anchor into bone until the first laser line has been reached. The anchor features a cleatless delivery system, so simply pull back firmly on the driver handle to unwind the sutures and remove the driver. Then pull back on all the suture limbs to confirm anchor fixation. Remove one strand of Hi-Fi ribbon from the medial anchor. Next, gently mallet another Why Not Pro RC into the posterior insertion site found on the footprint. Remove the anchor driver and pull back on all the suture limbs to set the anchor. Remove one strand of Hi-Fi ribbon. CONMED Spectrum AutoPass Suture Passer reliably passes suture in thick tissue and gives the surgeon the option of capturing the suture in the trap door. Use the Spectrum AutoPass to pass all 4 suture limbs from each anchor through the remaining rotator cuff tissue. CONMED's Hi-Fi ribbon is a flat, tieable tape that provides broad compression and increased tendon-to-bone interface. For lateral row fixation, first insert the CrossFit knotless DT punch into the anterior lateral insertion site and punch to the appropriate depth noted by the laser marks. Then take the CrossFit knotless DT anchor and load one Hi-Fi ribbon from each medial row anchor into the threader tab. Insert the nose of the CrossFit knotless DT into the tunnel and tension the Hi-Fi ribbon limbs as needed. Cleat the suture limbs onto the gray telescoping cleat found on the driver. Then hold the black knob stationary and turn the blue handle clockwise to insert the anchor to the depth mark. Uncleat the sutures and remove the driver. Next, insert the CrossFit knotless DT punch to create the posterior lateral tunnel. Load and tension the Hi-Fi ribbon suture limbs. The CrossFit knotless DT's telescoping cleat feeds suture down the shaft of the driver as the anchor is inserted, preventing the repair from being over-tensioned. Finally, use the katana flush cutter, which can cut up to 2 limbs of number 2 Hi-Fi suture, Hi-Fi ribbon, or Hi-Fi tape. This completes the double row rotator cuff repair.